tap into your power and really 10x your life? Most people have so much potential, but not enough resilience to really push through and tap into their ultimate power. I leverage my skills, talents, and knowledge in life to really tap into my power. This power is an awakening of your soul, your purpose, and what you love to do. I use my crazy, funny, silly, decisive, onto it, loving, high vibrational 10x badass soul to create my desires. If you are ready to start taking action now and show the world what you are capable of, you need to start now. The only time is now. If you are ready to tap into your 10x power, my free 5-day program, Unleash Your Inner Badass Boss Babe, starts this Monday, the 8th of April. Let me know in the comments why you want to 10x your unlimited power. I look forward to hearing from you.